Tim, hold on to my ankle. Okay, somebody touch my thigh inside. Go behind me. Go here. Behind, right behind. Okay. Thigh. That's it. So when we are here, the problem is they are so strong, I'm only moving like this. Now there is something, this is real. They are not real. Can you see? It's like this. And if you're a little bit stronger, yeah, a little bit stronger, so strong I can't put this foot out, okay? Oh, it's putting all the time. That's okay. Now I anchored, I use here to find my position. So you do this. Like that, a little bit higher so you don't lock my knee, okay? So can you see that strength? Once I anchor here, that's why you have to have friction. Okay. See that power there? I re-anchor. Yeah, you have to be static. I didn't want to say anything because he keeps pulling. We have to start. Here, here. Now this is real. Can you see everything is anchor, anchor, anchor. 3 anchors. Only move the stomach. Now you understand? This is called the empty.